What's up, you guys? We are back. This is Sara and Joe, and we are back at the zoo. Hello. And we're doing Animals Aglow today. Yes, I realize we were just at the zoo, but this is a special occasion. So, y'all sit back, relax. We're going to eat some food,
Yep.
drink some
food.
drinks.
Sake, girl.
Sake. Look at some things and
Yep.
enjoy the lights. We're going to try the bao or pulled pork. Bows. Oh, they look so good. Cheers. Oh.
Fire.
These are so good. I'm not a sucker for cucumber, but in these, it really, really works. So I think we'll take you over to Joe for a review.
It is very, very good. But then again, I'll eat anything and everything.
I give this a solid 7.5 out of 10. All right, the sun is going down. It is time to explore. I cannot wait. Let's show you around. This cool. This is by the South Gate, and this is so cool. That is so cool. And they have some kind of game that they play over here. Animals Aglow ends May 11th, so I highly, highly recommend coming. When you purchase a ticket, you get free parking and you get a free show, so I cannot wait to go see the free show. Look how cool that is. That is so cool. Going through the dragon. There's another guy over here, his friend. Ah, their tails move. There it goes. These next few ones are based on your birth year. This is like the year of the pig. I don't think anyone's the year of the pig. The dog. That's cute. Here is the year of the rooster. Once again. Oh, that's so pretty. I love this one. This one's pretty. Oh, the year of the monkey. We're trying to find Joe and I's based on the year of our birth. Mine is 87. His is 89. We're trying to find ours. The year of the sheep. That's really pretty. Ooh, look at this one. This one's really, really pretty. So far, we haven't found ours. This is the horse. Joe is the year of the snake. Woo! This is Joe's. The year of the snake. That's beautiful. I think there's some over there, so we have to check. But this is Joe's, the year of the snake. Got some dragonflies. Got some flowers. Got a frog. Pretty. Alright, on my right or on my left? Look at that fish. That fish is so cute. Fish is awesome. The next one's pretty cool too. The Grand Palace Lantern. That looks really, really cool. 50 feet tall. Holy crap. This is the year of the dragon. Look how beautiful. This is the best. 87. The year of the rabbit. And that is moi. These have these little things that tell you the birth year. You are noted for your charm, you work hard to achieve your goals, and are likely to be a perfectionist. That is true, but easily angered. That is also oddly true. Although thrifty, you can be generous with someone you love. Those born in the year of the rabbit are usually very successful, compatible with dragons, monkeys, and oxen. The year of the tiger. Ooh, that's beautiful. Wow. And last but certainly not least, the ox, the year of the ox. Beautiful. Oh, I lied. The year of the rat. We forgot it. My bad. The thing knows me too well, knows that I'm somewhat, I don't want to say like easily angered, but I think that I get emotional, let's just say.
Very emotional.
Very emotional. I am a closet perfectionist.
Very perfectionist.
Everything has to be perfect in some
Everything.
sort of way. So I think that describes me perfectly. Oh my God, I've hit Nirvana. Look how cool that is. This is like a party. Let's go. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I think we're gonna wrap it up right here. We got Freddy's on the way home, and
Yeah, she already killed her shake.
I killed my strawberry shake. It was delicious.
I got dirt and worms. Dirt and worms is so good.
So make sure to like, to comment, subscribe, join that wolf pack, and we'll catch you in the next one.